Our intelligent notification controller offers vastly superior diagnostics. Opens, shorts, limits, ground faults, identified on the digital trunk and by addressable sub-NAC. Real-time NAC current draw, real-time AC voltage, battery charging voltage, sub-NAC diagnostics and supervision, LCD English descriptions, 1000 event history file with time and date, USB flash drive for redundant history storage, notification wire testing without the fire panel. Our controller also provides unrivaled resilience and fault protection. Cost-effective Class A digital trunk. Class A sub-NACs. Branch circuit short and limit isolation. Ground fault detection by sub-NAC. Digital polling and distributed processing. Database storage at the unit and via the flash drive. Innovation leader. Eaton, an innovation leader. By now, we hope you can see why Eaton is the largest supplier of fire alarm notification devices in the Americas. We are the industry's innovation leader. Our core focus is on notification system technology. The introduction of the Intelligent Notification Controller with addressable sub-NACs is an industry game changer. We've improved system resilience to notification circuit fault conditions and provide unrivaled expansion capability. It's UL/ULC listed for fire, mass notification, and access control. We provide independent compatibility with all fire control panels, in addition to our large installed base of conventional products. All of these benefits are realized while offering customers a cost-effective migration path to the latest technology. Reliability, compatibility, lower equipment cost, installation efficiency, and maintenance savings. Whether you have a new installation or want to retrofit an older system, Eaton's Intelligent Notification Controller is the product to specify.